Infections can be pretty common when you're little, but if they do not get better on their own, doctors may take it a further step and perform surgery. But we might have another solution for your little one, a more natural approach. AJ Sommer started taking his son Ryder in to get adjusted at Advanced Chiropractic, and his ear infections went away. They join us now with Dr. Raesz to explain how it helped the infection go away. Well, thank you all for joining us today.
Thank you, Marlena.
Thank you
For having
All
us.
right, so AJ, can you tell us a little bit about Ryder's story and when the ear infection started?
When Ryder was born, he went a few years or a few months and had several ear infections. And then we got tubes in his ears, and a couple of years later, the tubes fell out. The ear infection started again. My wife and I went to go see Dr. Raesz for ourselves, and he had mentioned that maybe we should try chiropractic before we look at getting tubes in his ears again. Reluctant to do another surgery, we agreed, and here we are, no more ear infections.
So yeah, what was your initial thought when you thought Chiropractic Care would help his ear infections?
I thought he was crazy, to be honest.
Like that.
But it was a great idea. We didn't have to do another surgery, and it was great.
So how many times did you take him in before he said that his ears just felt a lot better?
We probably went in for a month and a half, a couple times a week, and then we would kind of back off a little bit to once a week, and then no problems after that.
And how old was Ryder when you started to take him in?
He was right at 4 years old.
Okay, and how old is he now?
He's 7 now.
He's 7.
Yes.
And you haven't had an ear infection since? Your ears feel good? So what exactly do you do to help kids or even adults with ear infections?
That's a great question. So if somebody has a misalignment in the upper part of the neck, it's going to damage the nerves, and the nerves that come out of the neck go up into the head. And so any kind of nerve damage there can lead to headaches, can lead to migraines, dizziness, blurred vision, allergies, ear infections, and it's more common in kiddos because their ears are angled at a different angle and their immune system is weaker. So it's way more common for kiddos to get ear infections. And so when they brought Ryder in, I just did an exam. We found that he had these misalignments in the upper part of the neck, so I started to adjust his neck. And within a month or so, the ear infections went away, and he's once again a healthy little boy playing t-ball again, and doing everything that he should be doing.
So what exactly, what release does it do when you adjust the neck that sends it to make him go away?
It's a great question. So whenever you have a misalignment in the upper part of the neck, once again, it just kind of starts to put pressure on the nerves. And if you have pressure on the nerves in your body, anywhere in your body, it's going to lower your immune system, it's going to cause symptoms, and ear infections are just a symptom. It's a symptom of dysfunction in your body. So by removing the dysfunction, by getting your body to function better, now your body's healthy. Now your body works the way it was designed to work, and now the ear infections are gone, and he's healthy, and he's playing and running and doing everything he should be doing instead of getting a surgery or taking antibiotics or being home and not playing t-ball and those different types of things.
Really interesting. So what were your thoughts after this was all complete and
It was great, and we have a younger daughter, and she goes to see Dr. Raesz as well, and we're more on the prevention part of it. She hasn't had the issues like he had, but we had a good template, and we're going on that with her as well.
Interesting. Well, if anyone has any questions, especially about ear infections in kids with Chiropractic Care, you are doing a special for our viewers. Tell us a little bit about that.
So every month on the first and third Tuesday of the month, we're doing a dinner at the Dead Fish Grill in Belton, and I buy everybody dinner, and dinner's on me, and I do a 40-minute chiropractic presentation, health and wellness presentation, going over how the body works, and how we may be able to help you get healthy and stay healthy and avoid the use of drugs or surgeries. And once again, I buy everyone dinner, so it's an awesome treat.
It's an awesome trade-off.
Yep.
All right, well, thank you so much for coming on and telling us about this and sharing Ryder's story with us.
Thank you.
Thank you, Marlena. Appreciate it.
All right, and we'll be right back.